Stocks got absolutely murdered today, but don't worry, Cramer continues to say, hold on, be a man, take the pain. Late this morning, I sent an email to my members and I said, hey, we have really nice gains on both our short the stock market positions and our short crude oil positions. I think the safe thing to do is take some of those profits off the table, put them in the bank. So personally, not investment advice, I sold half of my short the market positions and half of my short crude oil positions this morning. I only sold half because I think we can continue to come down here in the stock market, and potentially tomorrow morning at 8:30 in the morning when we get unemployment news, it could be more bad news. And in a bear market, bad news is bad news, meaning bad economic news finally comes out as lower prices in the market. Specifically on the S&P 500 here, we have now a unconfirmed breakdown below the 5504 level and the 5457 level. We came up really nice to that dead cat bounce level where I entered my shorts only 2 days ago and took really nice profits only today. I say, and I can be wrong, I say my ultimate downside for this leg down, the stock market in the coming months will come down much further. But for this leg down, my designed area here is I think the S&P 500 could come down to about 53 before we get the next dead cat bounce. I may or may not partake in the next dead cat bounce, but will definitely be partaking in when I think that next dead cat bounce is over, and I will short the market all over again. NASDAQ 100 QQQ, this is the first time as of 2:23 in the afternoon, the very first time we finally have a confirmed breakdown below $480 a share. We still have a unconfirmed breakdown below $475 a share, and now a unconfirmed breakdown below $462 a share. If the markets can finish meaningfully lower tomorrow, it would confirm both of those breakdowns. My next breakdown I would want to see on the bearish side would be a confirmed breakdown below about $552 a share. Watch these levels. Making money in a falling stock market is a beautiful thing. Now, believe me, I find zero pleasure in $2.5 trillion of people's wealth today just evaporating poof into thin air. I get zero pleasure out of millions of other people being in pain, but I'm going to watch out for myself and my clients and my family. Not in that order, right? Because I'm a fiduciary, I'm looking out for my clients first. But I am going to do my best to stay safe in this bear market, which I have been doing. Have not timed it perfectly, but did a pretty good damn job so far. I think ultimately when the S&P 500 is down 20, I think 30, maybe even 40% from the highs, that I could be a hero during this bear market. Who is paying attention? Are you watching my videos? I don't want you to come here and blindly believe the things that I'm saying. I want you to come here and watch my videos and take some notes on what I say. Note the time frame of my conversation. Am I talking about short-term, medium-term, long-term? And the date that I said it. And go back and review your notes in 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years. Simply prove to yourself that I know what I'm talking about. Once you have proven yourself that I know what I'm talking about, then it's time to work with me, and I look forward to doing it. For those of you who still don't believe me that we are in a new bear market here, there have been $40 billion worth of foreign investments in United States stocks that have been taken out in just about the last couple months alone. Be very careful. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. Gold was down, not a ton, but down today, and one day does not make a trend. But one of the things I'm looking for in gold is to see the sell-off in gold, because most people right now either are in denial or don't believe or have no idea that we are in a new bear market that started on February 20th. When the masses, when the mom and pop investors, when the retail investor figures out how bad things are, and that probably won't be until they have 20% of their life savings slashed and away from them, they will start to sell everything. They will start to throw out the baby with the bathwater, and they will begin to sell gold. When I start to see gold really sell off, that will tell me we could be somewhere near the middle of this bear market. So gold, not that far away from all-time highs, continues to tell me that this is the beginning, probably only the beginning of this bear market. Be very careful. If you watch my videos, you know me. I'm always here referring to my research and all of the underlying data and whatnot. I am making my brand new research that I just finished last night available to you for absolutely free, no obligation. All you have to do is click the link in my bio. It'll take you to my website. Put your email address and your name in that first pop-up that comes up, and you will automatically be emailed all of my latest research. I am more than happy to share it to you. What do you think? Do you think we're still in a bull market, or do you think the bear market has started? But hey, Kramer says, don't sell, take the pain.
This too shall pass. And if you decide to get out now, you're liable to miss some very big gains down the road, even though you're taking a beating for the moment. Getting out now is also not a strategy.